Hey folks, how are y'all doing? So today we're going to be making a Neumorphism navigation draw UI with a little bit of HTML, colourful CSS and JavaScript, because we all love a bit of JavaScript. And I'll be using Font Awesome and Google Fonts. Although, just to peel back the curtain momentarily, this is my second go recording this video. The first go I mucked up the audio, which is a shame because by God that was hilarious. I was cracking jokes left, right and centre. So if this video is, really dry and boring, then sorry. But let's get cracking in, shall we? So first of all, I'll be using VS Code, exclamation mark, get all the necessaries in there and type in Neumorphism nav UI. Save that. There we go. Apologies if you can hear a boatload of rain as well. It's pissing down. It's England, it's October, it's lathering it down. So link to the style sheet. And because I'm going to be using Font Awesome, I need that as well. So if I go over to Font Awesome, click on that, copy it. Now you don't need that, so that can stay over there. And last but not least, I'll be using a bit of Google Fonts. So for the sake of this, I'll be using Poppins because, sort of like the basic bitch default one. I've selected a multitude of fonts, not really necessary because I'm only going to be using that one. However, just for the sake of showing you this little known feature called Google Fonts. And if I just copy that, stick that in there, and I'm just going to copy this, stick that in there, and just for now I'm just going to get rid of it, highlight it out, because when I come back to the style sheet then it will be of use. So first of all, dot container, dot nav, ul, li, a dot live. You can ignore this live tag for now. Its relevance will be shown at the end. Span dot icon. It's the icon sting. I'm a wrestling fan. What can I say? I dot fa. fa slash Twitter. Span dot name. And in honor of Elon Musk, it'll be Chief Twit. So if I just copy this and paste that in there, get rid of that. Was it FA Pinterest? PINTEREST / square. Pin. Let's figure out how to spell this bloody Pinterest. There we go. Now just copy that and paste that again. And this time it's going to be FA Google. Google. There we go. And next one is Facebook. FA Facebook official. And because I'm a smart ass, I'm not going to call that Facebook. I say smart ass, I deleted the wrong thing. I'm going to call it a meta. Yeah. Check me out with my business knowledge. Copy that again. And I'm going to call this, I'm going to call this what it is, WhatsApp. No, not WhatsApps, WhatsApp. Fuck, I can't spell. And I'm going to call that WhatsApp. I know I could call it Meta 2, but I don't care that much about it. And last but not least, InstaWham. Home of the thoughts. I don't know, I'm not really an Instagram guy. And last but not least, .toggle. And I'll come back to that. You'll come back to that later on. So as you can see, got all the necessaries. Except the Facebook one, because after me trying to be a smarty pants, I spelled it wrong. Damn you, Mark Zuckerberg. Damn you and your robot eyes. There we go. So if I just scooch over to here. Now, this is where this comes in relevant. Copy that and delete all that. Star. Margin at 0. Padding is not pad. Padding is 0. Box sizing border box, and there we go. Body min height 100 VH. Background color E6E 7EE. Display is flex. Justify content is center. Align items center. Dot container. The position is relevant. Yes, it is relevant. Nav. Call it nav or navigation. I do call it nav. Hey. Position is relevant still. Width 90 pixels. Height 420 because it's funny, and weed, etc. Although 420 is not as big in the UK as it is in the pesky United States. Background color. Transition 0.5 seconds. Overflow is hidden. Box shadow. RGB 184 185. Oh, for fuck's sake, come on. Start again, shall we? RGB 184 185 190. 3 pixels, 3 pixels, 6 pixels. RGB 255 255 255. Negative 3 pixels, negative 3 pixels, 6 pixels. Save that. Dot nav dot active. Width 320 pixels. So this will be when the item opens up. Dot nav ul. Position absolute. Let's get a bit of spacing in there, shall we? There we go. Top is 0, left is 0, width 100%. Background color, box shadow, inset 2 pixels, 2 pixels, 5 pixels. Hashtag. God damn it, these hex codes are annoying. B8B9BE. That's why white and black is so easy to deal with. It's just F's or zeros. Inset. Negative 3 pixels. Negative 3 pixels. 7 pixels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one's a lot easier to remember. There we go. Dot nav li ulli. Position is relevant. Width 100%. List style is none. And I'm going to copy that. A dot live background color is what is the background color? Drum roll please. There we go. Box shadow RGB. 3 pixels, 3 pixels, 6 pixels. RGB 255. It helps if I press the right button, doesn't it? 255, 255. Negative 3 pixels, negative 3 pixels, 6 pixels. Save that. So no. So let me just go back here. I'm using that word so again. My bad. There we go. My holding word, as it were. Dot nav ulli hover background color RGB 184, 185, 190. I do appreciate I could have just copy and pasted this, but alas, repetition is good for the brain. Negative 3 pixels, negative 3 pixels, 6 pixels. Save that. Dot. Trying to double check something. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, just making sure I wasn't floofing it up. Position is relative. The display is block. Width is 100%. I apologise, the display is flex, not block. That was me being a plum. Text decoration is none. Let's do a bit of whatever the fuck Rebecca Purple is. I meant to write red, but I can't press the wrong button. Font weight 300. Text transform uppercase. Padding top 10 pixels. Copy that. Dot icon. It's the icon. Sting. Position relative. The display is block. Min width. 80 pixels, height 65 pixels, line height 60 pixels, text align center, copy that, no, not that, copy that, .fa, font size 40 pixels, name. Is that the clever title I gave it? Right, yes, there we go. Position is relative. The display is block. Height is 60 pixels. Font size 20 pixels. Line height 40 pixels. Text align start. White space, now wrap. Dot toggle. Position absolute. Top calc 50 pixels, 50%, negative 20 pixels. Right, negative 20 pixels. Width 40 pixels. Height 40 pixels. Border radius 50%. Background F5, F5, F3. Cursor is pointer. Border 7 pixels. Solid red. And it's all looking a bit ropey at it's all looking sort of, you know, a bit ropey and gammy at the moment, but it will all come to fruition. He says toggle dot active. Background color is black. Toggle before content where are F067. So these are variation of font awesome icons. If I go to this web page here, we can see here with the corresponding numbers. So F067, F067, be a plus and a minus. So you can use any one of these, it doesn't really matter, but for the purpose of this, that's just the ones I used. But in case you're wondering what those numbers are referring to. Font family, font because it's awesome. Position is absolute. Width is 100%. Height is 100%. Line height 30 pixels. Text align center. Font size 16 pixels. Color is red. dot toggle dot active dot toggle dot let's try this again. Dot toggle dot active b4 content F068 and UL li nth child 1 span color 00 ACE EE. All of these colors I'm about to put in are the official, at least according to Google, color codes of their respective companies. So there will be 6 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll have to change the corresponding numbers as we go. That is C8 2 3 2 C 3. That is 4 2 8 5 F4 and 4. That is 3 B 5998 and 5, and that is 25 D366, and last but not least, this one is not hex, it's RGB 138 58 185. So, I said that word again, but there we go, it looks a little bit ropey. Now let's add the je ne sais quoi, shall we? And make it look all nice and not nice. Script. Type. Text. JavaScript. Const. Hello, it's the constable here. Navigation. Navigation. Navi equals document dot query selector dot nav document dot query selector dot toggle on a click equals function this class list dot toggle active navigation dot class list dot toggle active. So I save that. And just because I enjoy throwing in a couple of curveballs, let's go and fix my errors, shall we? So the first error would be, change that to from 90 to 80, there we go. And the second error is the height. Change that to 60. And there we go. So if I expand that out, and there we go. I hope you've enjoyed watching and follow along with my ramblings. But no, it's been an absolute pleasure, and thank you very much. If you like what you saw, please feel free to hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. That is what I believe people on YouTube have to say. But seriously, have a good day, y'all. Bye.